Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to export your game for CPM. It's much easier now than it used to be because I've built enough of a Z80 assembler directly into Lantern that you don't have to run any external tools, which kind of streamlines the whole issue of are you building on a Mac or PC or Linux or whatever. So now the assembler is integrated, you don't have to deal with external tools. So I've got my little sci-fi test project loaded, and all I have to do is just say export for CPM Z80. Unfortunately, it will not run on 8080. I'll get around to that. But so now it's going to crank away, and it's going to generate the code and assemble it, and there it is. Okay, so it put it in Heinlein Station 3 underscore CPM. So the project name is Heinlein Station 3, and the platform is CPM. So the directory that it puts all your stuff in is the project name underscore the platform that you are exporting to. So let's go pop over to that directory and just take a look at what's in there. CPM, there we go, and ls-lrt, and there we go. You see there's a COM file with today's date and time. All the source code that was used to build the game got moved into the source directory. So if you want to see what is in there, there's all the code for the game that Lantern cranked out for you. But the big thing that you're interested in is the COM file. So, whoops, what did I just do? ls-star.com. No, oh, I'm in the wrong directory now. Heinlein Station 3 CPM. All right. And then let's look at the COM file. That's what we care about right there. Heinlein.com. That's the name of our COM file. And now let's go open up an emulator and try to run this thing and make sure it works. Okay, so what I've got here is the output file, Heinlein.com. And I've got the Run CPM emulator over here on the left. So I'm just going to take the COM file and copy it. And I'm going to put it in disk A. And A0, there we go. And I already had a version in there already. So just overwrite it. And now let's go into CPM here and run CPM. And let me do a dir. And we should see that Heinlein.com is there. And I should just be able to type Heinlein. And it should load. And there it is. So there's my game. Look. North, east. Okay, cool. Hey, it runs in CPM. So CPM is a little weird because there's so many disk formats. And I don't know what you want to do, what you'd want to do at this point. For me, I have a K-Pro 2. And what I would do is use my IBM PC as a tween machine using 22 disks to get the binary, to get this file onto a floppy, and then I could move it over to the K-Pro that way, or you could also move it over using Kermit on a serial cable. So either way, but there it is. It'll run on, there's your game running on Z80.